Hey people, so there is this Tamil film called Psycho that is starring Nitya Menon, and honestly, people, it's like the very opening scene of the film is so disturbing that you need to be brave to continue watching such a movie. I mean, like, it is basically, uh, I mean, you can tell that the director or the producer or whatever of the movie is very like I don't know, he's a very deep thinker probably because the first time, it's one of the first times I've seen that in the opening credits of the film, there is this quote, by Abraham Maslow. It's called We Are Simultaneously Gods and Worms. So, I mean, when you really think of it, it's pretty deep, right? So that's what people uh, I mean, Psycho is the film that you should watch if basically if you have a very brave heart, and since it stars Nitya Menon, you can be assured of quality cinema. So try and watch it, people. It's trending on Netflix and it's called Psycho. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.